Navigating documents in Empower is easy. Each tab provides access to different features. On the File tab, you can save the document or revert it to the state of the last save point. On the Edit tab, you can cut, copy, and paste, or undo and redo recent changes. On the View tab, you can turn on the theme view, show hidden objects or electronic signatures, add or remove document recipients, or show container designs. On the Text tab, you can apply text formatting or insert a variable. On the Review tab, you can navigate through comments and revisions. On the Navigation tab, you can move between editable areas. If you need assistance at any time, you can access the Empower Editor Help on the Help menu. If the document has multiple pages that you need to edit, you can navigate between them by using the Page Manager or these page navigation buttons. If Preview is enabled, you can see what the document will look like with your changes by clicking the Preview button.